So, good morning everybody. Myself Acharya Vishvendra, and today I'm going to discuss a worksheet on the binding energy. So, let's begin with the worksheet. So, here is the worksheet that what is binding energy. So, binding energy is delta m into c square, where delta m is the mass defect corresponding to a particular nuclei. Next is binding energy per nucleon. So the binding energy per nucleon is delta mc square by A, and here curve is being asked, so curve is like this as shown over here. Next is binding energy per nucleon is maximum for, so it is maximum for iron 56. 56 is the mass number of iron and atomic number is 26 over here. Next is variation of binding energy per nucleon, so it's a curve like this with the maximum value for iron 56. Next is binding energy per nucleon for stability region. So this is the stability region, the mid-level region, in which binding energy varies between 8.75 to 7.6 mega electron volt. Next question is energy released per fission. So it's about 200 mega electron volt. Next is energy released per fusion. So it is about 17.6 mega electron volt. Next is energy released per gram in fission. So it is about 8.2 into 10 is to the power 10 joule. Next is energy released per gram in fusion. It is about 1.6 into 10 is to the power 14 joule. Next is for a spontaneous nuclear reaction, Q is greater than 0 or mass of reactant is greater than that of product, and binding energy of product is greater than that of reactant. Next is binding energy for 3Li7. So it is 39.2 mega electron volt. Next is binding energy per nucleon for 3Li7. It is 5.6 mega electron volt. Next is dimensional formula of binding energy. So it is ml2 t minus 2. Next is SI unit of binding energy. It is joule. Next is CGS unit of binding energy. It is erg. Next is generally used unit of binding energy. It is mega electron volt. Now there is a question that a nuclei of m plus delta m dissociates into two daughter nuclei having m by 2 mass each, and it releases amount of the Q energy of the reaction is Q. Then is for the above reaction find mass defect. So mass defect is difference of mass of reactant and product. So it is delta m. Next is Q value. So it is delta mc square. Next is speed of B. So after calculations speed comes out to be C under root 2 delta m by m. Then is speed of C. So both